Welcome to the Golden Ladle, the home cooking channel. Let's make cheesy capsicum paneer stir fry, a low carb, high fat recipe. The ingredients required for this are 500 grams of chopped capsicum, 2 medium sized onions sliced, 250 grams of diced paneer, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, 4 slices of cheese, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and salt to taste. Take 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan and add the sliced onions to it. Saute till they are translucent and add the capsicum. On a high-fat diet, it is absolutely essential to consume lots of low-carb vegetables to increase the fiber content and to aid digestion, and capsicum fits the label perfectly. Add salt and mix. Cover and cook it for 5 minutes. Now add the paneer. Now add the oregano, the chili powder, and give it a mix. Cook for 2 minutes. The paneer will soak all the spices in. Now add the fresh cream and give it a thorough mix. Now add the cheese and mix it well. Cover and cook for 2 minutes till the cheese melts. And it's done. Juicy, cheesy, and delicious. It will definitely meet all your dietary expectations. Garnish it with chili powder for an extra dash of heat and fresh paneer, and enjoy. Do consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet. Let me know if you liked the recipe in the comments below, and thanks for watching. I will meet you again with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care.